Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to learn Python. Begin by understanding core concepts like variables, data types, and control flow. Consistent practice is key. Dedicate at least 30 minutes daily to coding exercises. Explore free online tutorials and official Python documentation. Immediately apply what you learn by building small, practical projects to solidify your understanding and boost your confidence. To kickstart your Python journey, first install Python and a reliable code editor such as VS Code or PyCharm. These tools provide a comfortable environment for writing and testing your code. Leverage interactive online platforms for instant feedback on your practice. Don't hesitate to join online communities. They offer invaluable support and a place to get your questions answered quickly. The official Python documentation is also an excellent resource for detailed information. Project-based learning is crucial for mastering Python. Start with straightforward projects, perhaps a basic calculator or a simple to-do list application. As your proficiency increases, challenge yourself with more complex tasks. Remember to break down larger projects into smaller, more manageable components. Regularly review and refactor your code. This practice enhances efficiency and helps you write cleaner, more effective programs. This hands-on approach truly cements your knowledge. Learning Python is an ongoing process. Always strive to stay updated with the latest Python features and emerging libraries. Consider contributing to open-source projects. It's a fantastic way to gain real-world experience and collaborate with other developers. A powerful learning technique is to teach others what you've mastered, as it solidifies your own understanding. Most importantly, never stop experimenting with new coding challenges to keep your skills sharp and evolving.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.